Hello, 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 welcome back to HunterTuned. Why haven't I been doing anything the last, 2 days? You ask. Well, I'll show you. If I can get out of my house. Can we get out of the house? Can we get out of the house? Yeah, there's a good, 1.5 foot of snow on my deck. Yeah. Is it coming down, Christine?
It never goes up.
Oh, look at Scooby.
No.
Oh my God.
Get him, Max.
Max. Oh.
Come here. Oh, so funny. Come here. Baby.
He's like, screw this.
Oh, look at him.
Scooby, come here.
Come here.
Oh.
Oh, he's hiding from Max. Oh, Max.
I can't even walk.
Very aggressive.
Max.
Scoop's like, I'm not having this. Let's go potty. Come on, you guys.
Hey.
Come on. He's really struggling.
Are you struggling, Scooby? Are you struggling?
Oh, my baby. Yeah. Yeah, sweet. Max is enjoying it.
Well, figure I'll try to venture out in the Subaru.
Max.
If the Subaru doesn't get stuck. Oh, my Lanta. Oh, my Lanta. All right. Cold start 101. Oh, look at this. I'm sitting in my car. This car's not lowered or anything. And the snow is like up to here. Like level with the car here. Crazy. Look at the truck. Level with the truck. Come on, baby. I have the Subaru back on E85 too, and look at that. No cold start issues. Oh, my Lanta. This is ridiculous. Look at the Mustang. Pretty neat. Think we'll make it out of the driveway?
Nope.
Well, we'll try. Ford first.
I don't know. My plan was to not leave the house. Why don't we not leave? How far are we out of this driveway? We're not.
I think we made it a couple feet.
Let's go look.
tacoed.
Yeah.
Well, I gotta grab a shovel. This shit's heavy. Holy shit.
Why don't you put some gloves on?
Yeah, I should. Well, guys, I finally got my car unstuck out of my own driveway. The tires on my Subaru are like a highway tire, and they don't do too well in the snow. I'm probably gonna have to invest in a set of snow tires for this thing for next winter, as long as winter stays out of here after this. I checked out the extended forecast, and it looks like this is like the last of winter for the most part. I hope. It's supposed to be like 60 degrees and sunny next week, so I mean, I'm hoping all this frickin' snow is gonna be gone very soon so we can do some more car stuff. This is crazy, guys. It's April 15th. And we got 2 feet of snow. We've had blizzard-like conditions for like the last 3 days now. It started off as rain, and it rained really hard for like a day on Friday, I think. And then Saturday was all ice. So it was literally like hailing nonstop. And there was like telephone poles down and trees down and shit. And on top of all the ice and the sleet and all that, there was like 50 to 60 mile an hour wind gusts. So that didn't help anything. And now Saturday night into today, Sunday, it turned all into snow. So here we are. Everybody's just kind of shoveling away, trying to get unstuck. I mean, these cars, you're not gonna be able to get these cars out for a couple days. These cars are buried up to the frickin' doors. It's crazy. We didn't get snow worth a shit all year, and now in April we get a huge snowstorm. Kind of crazy. I don't really mind the snow and the weather and whatnot. The only thing that kind of pissed me off about this storm is yesterday the track was supposed to open and we were supposed to go drag racing. So it doesn't look like we're doing that. And now we're gonna have to have like another week or two of unthawing and getting rid of all the snow again. I mean, a couple days ago, me and Michael went out racing and playing around on the street, and there was grass and everything, but you know, here we are now, just frickin' snow. Everybody's just out snow blowing and shoveling, and yeah, every house shoveling and snow blowing. And the roads are so rough, like it's crazy. You can hear my struts clunking around probably because, like I said, it rained and then ice and then snow again. So the snow is on top of like a layer of ice on the road, and then the ice is all wavy on top of the road, so there's a lot of bumps and shit in the road from all the frozen ice and whatnot. So yeah, a bunch of businesses and stuff are closed. The only places that are open are like Walmart and see what I mean? Yeah, anyways, I went to Menards. They were actually open, and I picked up a 100-foot Ethernet cable to hook up my new computer to my modem downstairs, because I tried to live stream last night and I wanted to test out my new computer. So I was trying to live stream playing PUBG, and I figured that would have been a good like task for my computer to, you know, test its abilities. And I recently just upgraded my internet too, so I wanted to test the abilities of the internet and the new computer and whatnot, and it did not work out so good. The Xbox kept kicking me off of streaming for some reason, and I think it's just because I have them set up wirelessly. I don't have a wired internet connection to my Xbox or my PC, so I picked up a really long Ethernet cord, and I'm going to hook up my PC and my Xbox straight to the modem and see if that kind of helps with the live stream, and then maybe I'll try it out again tonight. But yeah, I'm gonna stop back home now, and I'm gonna do a review on some LED headlights for you guys. Alright guys, so I got something in the mail from a company out of Nevada, I believe. I think it's a Chinese seller, but they sent me over some LED headlights to try out for my Civic hatch. So that's awesome of them. I'm going to be putting a link to these headlights in the description if you guys are interested in picking up a set of your own. I think they're fairly cheap, like 25 bucks maybe, 30 bucks. And we'll see how they work. They send them in this little box here. There it goes. And there we are. No ballast or nothing with these guys. These are H4 6000K. That's what it says on the box. It comes with a 2-year warranty. 2-year warranty. So that's pretty sweet. Let's get them out of the box here. That's what they look like. Pretty slick. Pretty slick. Alright, cool. Well, if you guys know how to replace a headlight in a Honda Civic, it's pretty easy. Just got to take the little clip off of the back. First we got to unplug it. Now that it's unplugged, we could take the little dust boot off. And then there's a little clip that holds it in, so you just push this clip, pull it up, and the headlight comes right out. So there's the old one, and we'll pop in a new LED headlight. See how this guy is. See how it fits. There we go, it's installed. So I think this thing just plugs into the existing wiring. There we go, it's all plugged in. So now I'm going to flip my headlights on and see if I could tell a comparison of the two and see what one is brighter. Now I just bought these headlights from eBay. These are like a $60 black housing headlight for EK, and with the stock bulbs it's definitely really dim. I know I had a couple comments saying like, holy shit, your headlights are really dim or whatever. So hopefully these LED headlights will actually make things brighter. Flip them on. Oh yeah, those look sick. Those look sick. Look at the stock one here. It says a halogen. This thing's got a fan on it or something. Damn, that looks freaking awesome. Yeah, it's got a built-in fan. You can hear the fan running. Haha, that's awesome. That is freaking awesome. Way brighter. I know I can't really do a comparison right now because I can't back my car out because there's 3 feet of snow on the garage here. But damn, that looks slick. I'm gonna try out the high beam quick. Oh yeah, just as advertised, it's even brighter. It's a bright. It's a bright. Damn, I'm actually impressed. I am impressed. So, cool. Well, I'm going to get the other headlight installed, and then I'll show you guys how it looks with both headlights installed. Alright guys, I got both of the LED headlights installed into my Civic here, and they are looking very, very nice. They literally look like a HID. This looks like a 6000K HID. I normally like to run HID headlights just because they usually look like this, and the LEDs that I've used in the past did not look like this, so I may be switching my cars over to LED considering they have a longer lifetime and they're just more energy efficient and they're brighter. So I mean, you get the best of everything with an LED headlight. I'm sorry I can't really do like a good comparison review of like how the car was before and after because it's a snowstorm and I couldn't really think of anything else to film today, and I got these in the mail, so I figured why not try them out, plug them in and see if they work. The only thing that sucks with these is you can't really use the boot here, the cover up, like the dust cover boot thing, unless you like drilled this out or bored it out a little bit, which I might do, but I don't drive this car in the rain or anything anyways, so I'm not really too worried about it. Probably just run it like this for now. And these connections are actually really strong. I wouldn't see any need to like tape that or anything. They fit nice and snug into the factory wiring there. So yeah, that looks awesome, guys. I approve. I approve this message for LED headlights. Guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video of me doing not much and putting some headlights in my car and getting to see the April snowstorm in Wisconsin. The seller that I got these LED headlights from is on Amazon, and the seller is called Woxma, W-O-X-M-A. I don't know if you can see that. Woxma. But yeah, they're on Amazon here in stock. The H4 model for like a Civic like this is $54.99. I thought they were cheaper than that, but $54 still ain't bad for a set of LED headlights that are like this. And they have a fan and everything built in, so I'm assuming that these things will do good. They seem like they're pretty nice quality and whatnot, so we'll see in the long run how they work and stuff. I don't plan on switching back to the normal headlights. I'll just leave these ones in here for as long as I keep the car and see if they go out. And if they do go out in the future, I'll let you guys know. But I get an A+ for these guys. Great freaking product. $54 ain't bad at all. I know a couple local places here that sell pretty much the same exact headlight for $100. So these are like half the price of, you know, some retailers around me, and great product. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully we can do some more stuff with my PC. I'm going to go mess with that now, and I'm going to run the Ethernet cables up, and hopefully that'll all work out. And then maybe I'll do some live streaming, or tomorrow maybe I'll do a video on like the basics of Honda or something like that, because I got a new webcam and a screen capture software and a new PC and all that stuff. So I should be able to do this stuff for you guys now efficiently and make the video good. But anyways, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you guys enjoy the content. So have a good one.